Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Rahmat Hidayat. I am from Aquaculture Department. This time I will deliver material about the impact of future climate change of prediction for the next 10 years regarding climate change. Enjoy watching the video. Climate change is already being felt in many parts of the world, including in Indonesia. Global temperature are rising, rainfall patterns are becoming unpredictable, and extreme weather events such as floods, droughts, and forest fires occurring more frequently. This change is largely caused by the increasing emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane, which result from activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. I've no major efforts made to reduce emission and protect the environment. Climate change is predicted to worsen over the next 10 years. By 2035, global temperature could rise by more than 1.15 compared Celsius compared to pre-industrial levels. Ice at the poles will melt faster, sea levels will rise, and extreme weather events will become more frequent, and distance that change will directly affect human life and biodiversity. Several negative impacts are predicted to occur, such as rising sea levels that may submerge coastal areas and small islands, reduce agricultural yields due to changing growing season and extreme weather, and threats to public health from increasing temperatures and spread of tropical diseases. Additionally, there may be a clean weather crisis in some areas due to prolonged drought and a significant loss of biodiversity, and species struggle on to adapt to rapid environmental change. To prevent this situation from getting worse, real solutions are needed. This include reducing greenhouse gas emission by switching to renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, increasing reforestation to absorb carbon dioxide, and developing environmental campaigns, and governments and institutions must implement effective adaptation and mitigation strategies, such as building climate resilient infrastructure and more sustainable agricultural system. And the last impression and message buat Miss Deswi, yaitu my impression while studying English with Miss Devi was very pleasant, and Miss also helped me in learning to speak English. Even though I am not very good and fluent in sentence, Miss was also patient and always tried to teach me to speak and make English sentence. Miss was also patient in guiding and dealing with our diverse before. Miss also delivered the material carefully and in a structured manner, so that we call easily understand in and apply it. My message for Miss Desvi, may you always be given physical and spiritual health, and then always be enthusiastic in teaching students, and always provide motivation and positive impression uh, to students, and don't forget to take care of your health, so that you are consistent in teaching activity. Thank you, Miss Desvi. Thank you, Miss Desvi, for the knowledge, motivation, and dedication that Miss has given during this semester. The knowledge and dedication that Miss has given is very useful for us for the future and in the future. Once again, thank you very much, Miss Desvi. Thank you, Miss.